A very good morning, dear students. How are you all? Dear students, today we are going to complete chapter 10, part 1st of unit 6, that is social law and social justice. Dear students, in this first we will cover about workers' worth in India. Producers, workers and consumers are three important groups of people in a marketplace. These groups are exploited in some ways or the other. For example, paying low wages means low amount of money to workers is one of the most common ways a worker is exploited. The government has enacted laws to protect these groups from exploitation. Here is an example of how the government enacts law to prevent exploitation. Private companies, contractors and business persons try to make maximum profit. In order to maximize their profits, they might decide to pay their worker less. So what happens? The government has introduced a law regarding minimum wages. This ensures that a worker must be paid by the employer no less than the minimum wages as directed by the government. So dear students, in spite of this, employers still get away with paying low wages in countries like India. This is because we are a highly populated country with a lot of unemployment. If workers ask for a higher pay, they can lose their jobs and the employer will easily find a replacement for them. So, due to the fear of losing their job, a lot of employees do not report even if they are being paid less. Now, what are the measures that were taken by the government to protect the environment? Previously, there were very few laws that protects the environment in India. However, the Bhopal disasters you have learned that happened in 1984. I will later in part 2nd I will describe you about the Bhopal disaster also. So, in 1984 it was happened and brought the issue of environment protection to everyone's attention. The new laws introduced ensured that polluters would be held accountable for the damage done to the environment. So, let us understand the different ways in which factories pollute the environment. In the form of air pollution, water pollution, land pollutions, it just pollute our environment. So what does happen in water pollution? Factories releases toxic wastes into water bodies like rivers and lakes, which causes water pollution. Air pollution, factories releases toxic gases into the air, which causes air pollution. Land pollution, industrial wastes is dumped in nearby areas, leading to soil contamination, thus causing the land pollutions. So dear students, these are the three factors also that how the factory pollute our environment. The environment needs to be preserved for future generations also, and it is our duty to ensure we protect it. So some of the measures that taken by the government to protect the environment includes, first point is the right to life is a fundamental right under article number 21 of the Constitution, and it includes the right to enjoy pollution free water and air. Regular checks and procedures to ensure no factory or company is polluting the environment. Cleaning rivers regularly, heavy fines on those who are polluting the environment. So dear students, Revise these two topics about workers' worth in India and the measures taken by the government to protect the environment. Soon we will meet in the next part, in which we will study about the Bhopal disasters, which was the world's largest disaster, in which a lot of people had given their lives also. So dear students, take care and goodbye. Revise all the concept carefully.